Hey everyone, hope you all doing well. My name is Jyoti and I recently joined in Deloitte USI and now Deloitte has sent me this laptop and I'm super duper excited to share with you all my happiness regarding this laptop. It's so cute, sleek, compact laptop. And the excitement is when I googled about this laptop and I'm so surprised to see that the cost of this laptop is around 2,37,000 and I'm so thrilled that Deloitte gives such laptop to their employees. Brand new laptop. This is from Dell company. The model is Latitude 7310. Latitude 7310. You can see here Intel Core i7 processor. A little about my background. I'm a BTech graduate and worked in multiple MNCs before prior to joining Deloitte, but never had such a great laptop. I'm pretty much excited to work from this laptop, which is really super cute. I can easily carry this laptop along with me from one room to another. As you all know, we are working from home. When there is any disturbances or any kids around, so definitely we need to move to other rooms. I'm also expecting some welcome kit as well. Till now I haven't received any welcome kit, but I heard that few of them have already received. And also heard that we'll be receiving the welcome kit, joining kit or goodies before after 90 days of joining the company. So if I get any such, I'll definitely share that video as well with you all. See here, you can see Latitude 7310. As of now, I got this bag, Jabra company headset, which is a new one. Charger. I did not receive any mouse. I'm planning to share my interview experience as well, like right from my scheduling of the interview, the call scheduling of the interview, all the rounds, how was the interview process, my joining bonus, till the offer letter, pre-joining, post-joining, my joining bonus, benefits, what all benefits I got, renegotiation of offer, postponement or preponing the joining date. Mainly I wanted to share my interview experience. If you are all, I have attended many interviews before prior joining to Deloitte, but this interview experience is a little different and a great experience. So I wanted to share with you all. Hello everyone, hope you are all safe and healthy. Today I received my Deloitte laptop. This is my laptop. I received it in a bag. It's a new bag. I'm gonna open it and see what is there inside this bag. My husband will be helping. He'll be opening so that I can shoot the video and give the voiceover. Actually, I have joined on 24th May 2021 and I am really pretty much excited to be part of this one of the big four Deloitte, especially as a woman. It's the best company, one of the best company in India to work for women professionals, as we all know. So when I joined, it was a smooth virtual onboarding. So it's been a great experience right from my joining, attending the trainings, knowing more about Deloitte, virtually meeting people. It was a great experience I had till date with Deloitte. Okay, let us open the bag and see what laptop I have got. I'm so eager to see. Actually, I have not yet received any welcome kit. I heard few people have received already the welcome kit. Wow, super cute laptop. It looks a little big on the screen, but it's so small. It's so cute. I think it's very lightweight. Isn't it lightweight?
Yeah, it's lightweight and you can carry very easily.
I can carry it along with me so easily. Which laptop is this?
It is Latitude 7310.
Latitude 7310 Dell laptop.
I'll check in phone how much it is.
Okay. Keep it like this. So cute, lovely laptop. It's so small. I love to work in this laptop. Some people prefer actually big screens, big monitors. But I feel laptops we carry as we are working from home. For meetings and all, we need to carry from one room to another.
It's showing 2,32,000.
2 lakhs?
Yes. See, 13.3 inches. Latitude 7310.
Oh my goodness, 2,32,000 Dell 13.3 inch Latitude 7310 is carbon fiber.
Yes.
Oh my god. Processor, which processor?
It's i7. Let me open and see. It's Intel Core i7 processor.
Which side better? Ikkada. Wow, i7 processor. Oh my god. So Deloitte has given me 2 lakhs, around 2,32,000 laptop. That's so great. Brand new laptop. Okay, let us see now what I have got along with this laptop. Welcome kit also will be given, it seems, but that depends upon the service line or practice we are into. I'll wait. If I get any, I'll definitely post a video on that as well. Oh, this is the headset. I think this is Jabra company headset. New headset. I never dreamt of working for Deloitte. Honestly, I did not know much about Deloitte before joining Deloitte. When I just googled before my interview, I found that it's a big company. I know that it's a big company. After I googled only, I found to know that it is one of the big four consulting services in the world. These are the chargers, cables. As I said in the beginning, I would be definitely sharing my interview process. It was very well organized and I had a wonderful interview experience in all the rounds. I cannot say just in one round. In all the rounds I have faced. One thing here, most of the new joinees will say that I am delighted to be Deloitte. Most of them will say that in Deloitte, especially the new joinees. So this is what I got, and this is my kids channel. I forgot to tell you, this is my kids channel, and she started recently. As of now I do not have any channel, so all my future videos I'll be definitely posting it in this channel. If you're interested in knowing more, you can subscribe to this channel, like, and also do post your comments below. If I know them, definitely I will answer them. Do not miss to click the bell icon, because as soon as I post a video, you will receive the notification and you will get to know. As just now I received the laptop, I need to complete some mandatory trainings and I need to send out few documents. So maybe in a week or two I'll definitely share all my interview experience. Not mainly with Deloitte, and also I would like to also share some bad experiences as well. Bad interview experience with one of the company I had. There was a day where I attended 4 rounds of interviews for 2 different companies on a single day. So all those details I'll be definitely sharing with you. Stay tuned. Stay tuned, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye until my further video. And definitely one thing, if you get a chance to work with Deloitte, never miss that, because Deloitte will be like another family. You will get to know only when you join Deloitte. Prior joining to Deloitte, even I do not know. I just read here and there few comments about Deloitte, but once you join Deloitte, then only you will get to know more and more about Deloitte. The people are really very, very good here. Till now, who I have all met. So that's all. Please do comment your questions below. As I said, I'll answer them if I know them. Bye. Take care.